Hello everyone, so if you want to charge other phones using your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, first of all, make sure that your percentage is higher than the other's phone percentage which you're gonna be charging, right? Now grab a cable. In my case it's gonna be USB-C to USB-C. However, if you're charging from USB-C to USB-A, so you would need a corresponding cable, right? Now connect the first part of it to your charging port, simply insert it, and now grab the second phone and insert the second part in its charging port as well. Okay, it worked differently. Our Xiaomi started charging, but it's kind of random. So if we'll do this the second time, for example, now, once again, we're started charging. Now, as you see, now the second phone, now the Huawei is charging. So it works quite randomly, but it still works, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.